Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a read for you now. Let's see how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect in this connection. Oops. Page of Pentacles in reverse. A bit of stagnancy going on in this connection, it seems. Libra, this card just flipped and sat on my deck like this. So this is little bit of stagnant, not little bit, complete stagnancy, I would say. Something's really halted in this connection from what I can figure out. But let's see what comes up. I'm going to put this card here to see if it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So let's begin and let's see what's really going on. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. And if you're new here, Libra, we welcome you also to join us. Subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, those are nice cards. Temperance, 10 of Cups, the Tower, Chariot, 5 of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, so Libra, two sides to the story, right? So this is one side. Now I'm putting down side B. For me, this is person A. This is going to be person B. If this is your story, you'll immediately know which side you resonate best with. And yes, the side B has the 7 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, the Fool, 2 of Swords, 4 of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. And the action person A will take and the action person B will take. Most likely action. And yes, standing at crossroads. Somebody is still waiting, plotting, planning, thinking, but at crossroads not making a move. No wonder that Page of Pentacles was there in reverse as well. This is very stagnant energy. So let's keep this card here as well. Let me look at the cards. From person A's perspective, Libra, person A, whoever person A is here, is actually wanting to heal this connection now. They want to bring back balance. They want to kind of rectify this connection if possible, because they do see a lot of emotional happiness here, long term. 10 of Cups. And where person B is concerned, they've kind of, I think, made up their mind about something, and I think they're moving on, if I'm not mistaken. This person has the Wheel of Fortune, which is allowing life to move on the way it's meant to, without kind of, they've just chosen what's good for them. And I think what's good for them, according to them, what they feel is to allow the divine to bring in whatever it has to. So let's take some dialogue message cards and see what's really going on. Libra and their person, spirit, if they had to say something to each other now. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Oops, that's a lot of cards, but we'll take them. And let's take a couple more from here. Libra and their person, spirit. Okay, lots to say, even though there's a lot of stagnancy here in the connection. Okay, I could just feel the cards spilling over. I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you. I feared you were more obsessed with me rather than in love. I feared you were more obsessed with me rather than in love. It felt suffocating sometimes. I'm not your prince and you're not my princess. I'm your emperor and you're my empress. So somebody has now recognized the connection and they want to now bring back balance and healing. But the other person, I don't think, is that sure anymore. They fear that this was more of an obsession, more of maybe a sexual attraction. Where was the love? They wonder if there was any love at all in the first place. The way we are so in sync scares the hell out of me. I'm terrified. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. I think this card came out for Aries as well. This and another one. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. I tend to look at your social media pages, waiting on signs to connect with you. Okay, so Libra, let's start clarifying the cards. Let's see what's going on here. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. My angels for Libra. Okay, there it is. So the card we have for you here, Libra, is believe. Maybe somebody is doubting themselves. Like I did read in the cards. Maybe somebody is not feeling worthy. Maybe they feel the other person doesn't love them. So Spirit is saying, you have to believe if you want. Alright, so here I put the card here. Let's start with the reading. I'm going to start with the energy of person A first. Forget about person B, don't get confused. I'm just reading one side of the story. Okay, so Temperance and the Ten of Cups for person A now, Spirit. Yes, they don't want to juggle anymore. Whoever person A is now wants balance in their life. They are trying to find their strength and escape something. What are they escaping, Spirit? Maybe they were... One second, let me clarify this. This person doesn't want to juggle anymore, Libra. They want to bring back balance and harmony into this connection. They're trying to find their strength to get over their own behavior, I think. Maybe in the past they've been running away from this connection. Maybe they've been cheating, I don't know. But somebody's trying to find the courage within themselves to have this or offer something very stable now. Something fresh, stable, brand new, start from scratch, because they want to reach this Ten of Cups now. They want this happily ever after. So what's this Ten of Cups for person A, Spirit? Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. What's this Ten of Cups for person A? Oh, something they lost and they have a lot of regret for. Maybe they had an opportunity for this Ten of Cups and they did something which was sneaky, or they ran away from this connection. The person A is now sitting in a lot of sadness and regret and wishing for it to come back, because they've recognized that, oh my God, I still have a lot of passion for person B. I do want to have this brand new beginning with them. I know that it's just not obsession, it is love. As much as the card said, I was, wondering whether it's just obsession and were you ever in love? This person is recognizing, no, it wasn't just obsession, it wasn't just sexual, it was pure love as well. And now they're regretting having lost it. Okay, so what happened in the recent past, Spirit, that person A is feeling like this? There was a tower moment, it seems, and some moving away with the Chariot. One more for the Tower, Spirit. For the Tower. Tower. Justice. This is your card, Libra. Somebody was looking for justice in this equation. Maybe person A was asked some harsh questions. Not harsh, but some questions were asked as to what's going on. Are we ever going to balance this relationship out or not? Somebody maybe wanted to feel that this was a grounded connection. They wanted to have answers whether are we together or not. But I think the person who ran away, they didn't want to be stuck in they didn't want to be stuck. They wanted to they felt suffocated maybe. They stopped communicating, and then what, Spirit? And that's when the Tower happened. Tower is clarified by the Tower. Can you imagine? Something really drastic happened, maybe a communication, some bad communication about bringing this connection back into balance. There was a fight, or there was something which kind of blew up totally. So Chariot, Spirit, Chariot, Chariot. I'm still very intrigued about the Tower. I wonder what happened. Yes, somebody couldn't make up their mind. Somebody couldn't make up their mind about love. They knew this was a very strong connection. They knew this was a very, very strong soulmate connection. There was love here, but somebody chose instead to run away from this connection. Am I right, Spirit? Chariot? Chariot? Yeah, somebody was preferring to be a player. They didn't want to get stuck. They wanted to stay unstuck, and they knew that this connection is very, very powerful. And when finally, I think they were asked the question that, are we doing this or not? Are we ever going to bring justice to this relationship? I think somebody chose to run away and move towards being a player instead of acknowledging the strong love and attraction they felt for their partner. So that's how the connection blew up, I think, and now person A is now in deep regret for losing out something beautiful. So how does person A feel now, Spirit, about this connection now? Person A is feeling that whatever game they played, they are the loser now. Instead of feeling, earlier they may have been in this stance, Libra, this could be you feeling that, okay, it's not going to be my way or the highway. I'll tell you when we'll be together, when we'll not be together. This is the way I lead my life. I'm not ready yet, or whatever somebody was trying to be the boss here. And now they feel, I wasn't the boss. I lost. I totally lost. Not only lost, I think this person is feeling very ungrounded now. They're feeling not victorious. They're not feeling stable in their life. Am I right, Spirit? 5 of Swords. Why does this person feel the 5 of Swords energy in reverse? Because they ruined a beautiful, beautiful connection. This was a soulmate connection, and now they feel such bad memories have been created now that even if I want to go towards them, I don't know with what face I'm going to go, because a lot of secrets have come out. Yes, maybe a lot of lies, a lot of secrets have been revealed now, which is making person A feel not their powerful self as they would have liked, themselves to be seen as. They're feeling very ungrounded now because of all these lies and secrets which came out. And now they know they've kind of ruined a beautiful connections, and some very bad memories are created. So instead of feeling like the boss, now person A is actually feeling a little bad about themselves. So what action person A will take, we'll open later. Let's go on to side B and see what's happening here. Person B has the 7 of Cups in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? All right. Okay, my God. One more. Person A was only looking for a balanced relationship. They were only looking to get out of confusion and to know the truth about are we choosing or are we not choosing. They only wanted to know the truth instead of staying in this land of confusion which person A had put them in. They were expecting a very balanced and a equal give and take kind of a relationship. Instead, what happened? Instead, they got stabbed in the back. Not one time and time again, till this relationship was literally killed, which put person B into a lot of stress and tension. That's how they're feeling. This is over. This is over. I can't do this anymore. This is not going to happen. Okay. Wheel of Fortune, Spirit. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. Yes, this person B is now at a crossroads. I think they are now they have the world in their hands and looking out into the future, and allowing, I think, divine timing to take them wherever the wind blows now. They've, I think, surrendered, literally surrendered. Yes, this person has been through a lot of healing, a lot of connecting to the universe, I think, allowing the universe to now show them the way as to, this is like, please show me the way, please guide me, looking at the stars to say, guide me to the right direction here. Take me wherever you feel is the right path for me. This is where person B is at. They don't want to be in any stressful place anymore, which is going to give them all that suffering of, somebody never making a choice to do the right thing. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be going through this? The Fool in reverse. That means no new beginning happened. Nobody fought for this connection. Somebody made a choice, somebody made a decision. And what decision was that, Spirit? To turn their back on a soulmate connection. Person B feels somebody made a fool out of them. This was a beautiful connection, but somebody turned their back. They made a conscious decision not to fight for this connection. And person B feels, I got fooled. I was expecting maybe a brand new beginning, and this is what happened to me. So how does person B now feel about this connection or this person now, Spirit? Four of Cups. Person B is not interested right now. They're feeling totally rejected. They feel this connection just doesn't give them any happiness anymore. They're sitting in their Four of Cups, not wanting person A or anyone else at the moment. I think this person is kind of given up on love because they feel all promises are broken. Each time somebody comes with a romantic gesture, or especially with this last episode with person A, they've really given up hope on love, it seems. Knight of Cups, Spirit? Knight of Cups? Yes, they find love to be a burden now. It's too much to bear, it's too burdening, and I keep putting in, I keep investing, but I never get the fruits of my labor. And this is too much of hard work on my part. I'm holding all the wands, I'm putting in all the work, and nothing ever grows. This person B is kind of lost hope in this connection and saying that, I don't believe in it anymore. They kind of given up hope. I think largely in love altogether because of this connection or this episode, this tower moment which has happened with person A. Till then, I think they were still hopeful. They were still hoping, they were still wishing, and they kind of felt this is the person who's actually going to give me an equal, my cup to your cup, I'll fill your cup, you'll fill my cup. They were quite excited at one point, but after seeing person A's behavior, I don't think person B that wants love anymore in their life. They've kind of, yeah. So let's see, person A, will you be taking any action since now you've woken up to the connection? Five of Pentacles in reverse. They do want to come out of this cold, but will they take any action, Spirit? One more. Will they take any action? One more. This person is also depressed. This person is almost suffocating in their feelings. They're feeling very unloved. They're feeling very ungrounded. As much as they want this rebirth or this restart of this connection, they have also kind of lost hope. They are very depressed. Maybe they are healing as well. This is almost like somebody who's sick, who's unwell. So Spirit, they want this rebirth. Will they take any action? Will they take any action, Spirit? They don't know how to. They don't know what work to put in now. They don't know how to make this right. As much as they want this rebirth of this connection, this person cannot, or maybe is not able right now to put in the work. They could be actually unwell, or maybe very emotionally disturbed at the moment, or ungrounded, or having financial problems. Something could be going on in their life where they feel they can't take action at the moment. So let's see, person B, will you take any action? Four of Wands in reverse. No, I think they've kind of given up hope on this soulmate connection. Four of Wands upright is like, happily ever after. Chariot in reverse as well. I don't think person B wants to move forward either. They've kind of feeling that if, this is not going to be long term, if this is not going to give me that happiness that I seek, that forever we'll love each other, if that's not going to happen, then I'm not going to move towards person B either. And that's the reason this card flipped out right as we started. There is stagnancy here in this connection, Libra. So what should we expect now, Spirit? What should we expect now in this connection? Somebody's trying to manifest, but their manifestations are just not working. They're trying to manifest their person, but I think this is person A, just trying to manifest that their person comes back to them effortlessly, but without action nothing happens. Even your manifestations don't bear fruit if you don't take action along with it. So what person A is trying to do is trying to manifest somebody to come back, but it's really not working. It's not working. None of their spells or their dreams or the manifestations of getting their person back just to float back into their life, that's just not working. They'll have to do more than that. They cannot not put in the work and expect a miracle to happen. Okay, so that's what's going on, Libra, in your connection, at least for this week. But don't worry. Next week we'll check again. Maybe things will change. So keep your head up, both of you heads up, yes. And don't lose hope. Believe. That's what my angels say. Believe you can achieve it, and you will. Okay? Right now I think both of you have lost hope in this connection. Both of you feeling very sad and actually missing each other. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.